For those who are new, please subscribe, hit that notification button, and like as well.
Alright, welcome back to my channel. On this episode, we'll be removing the front shifter and install the new one, maybe after, but I'll just show you how exactly it looks. So this is for the brake fluid to flow in, going down to the pistons, and now I need to loosen it up because I will be taking this off, and I think I need to pull some wires, because what I did lately was I took off some of the wires, but totally I haven't done anything on it. No more fluid that was being left in the system. We'll put the new one, and we'll see how does this, or what it looks inside on this one. So they put some Teflon also. It's just like there's some Teflon tape there, which one, mine, I didn't put any Teflon tape before, but I think, but this one doesn't have a leak anyway. But what I see was put a Teflon tape there. Just give me an idea on what to do on my build. I think I need to put Teflon tape too, which I think is good because at least to avoid any leak on the system. Might give you a problem later, maybe. That's what I see. It's just quite long. Come on. So I'll be still loosening it up until it releases. Okay. So this will come off. It should. It should come off. I'll show you something on what's kind of interesting inside that. I'll need to take this off first. Need to take off the handlebar now. Take off the shifter. So we'll make this loose. Then we'll just pull it out after. More easier to do. Loosen it up. Loosen. So, but be careful, this might come off and fall on the floor. I just make it loose. Okay. Then this is moving now. Now separate this. Also, here's something interesting. That's what I showed you. This is the olive oil. Olive oil. It's not an olive. They call it an olive. That's we use for the brake system. Now there's another one that goes on the end, but since I'm putting it and using a new system, I'll be cutting this out and taking this off. So I'll be needing a new olive. I'll show you what will be the proper way on how to install them. Alright, so I'm done with that. I'll just need to take off the wires coming all the way down from there. I think I can pull it off here. Maybe. We'll see. Too wet. Okay, so we'll just have to take this off totally. Okay, this come off already. Now we'll be pulling out the wires. Oh, it came off already. Okay, so we don't need this wire anymore. Now we'll be pulling off totally out, and I think this will be the last part that we'll be pulling because there's some hesitation on the bottom part. Now we'll just take off the wires, the internal wires. We'll just take it off from there, and it will be more easier after. We'll just put it back on where this thing it does, and there you go. See, easy as that. Now it's moving. We'll just pull it out all the way, and the wires will be ready and put it back after. But it's hard. How come? Oh, because of the end wire. Okay, okay, we're done with that. And this, we'll just put it back, and later when I'm taking off the outer cable, I'll be putting it back here after, so that you'll see how the thing goes later. Alright, I'll be doing the other side as well, and I think the rear is the one have more fluid because it's more longer, so that's kind of interesting also to take it out and see how much fluid does it have. But for now, I need to take out the thing and cut it a bit. I hope I won't be short after. So this is the left. Let me see, we'll move the camera farther. Now as you see, this is the left side. It's been off. We're done with this. So I need to put this back because this belongs there. I don't want to scratch my handlebar. That's the way it was installed. And put it back here. Alright, now we'll be doing the rear shifter, and we'll be taking it off so that it will be ready for the installation of the new shifters, and do some adjustments. Now make it loose. Just need one olive, and I don't know if that still fit the other pin that goes on the end of the wires. I need to see if it fits well, and then so we'll just have to stick it that way. If not, I need to change the whole system with the new olive and the pin that goes on the end of the cable. Which is in here. Hopefully it will be fine later. Loose, loose, loose. Just a reminder for this, taking it off. You have to be careful because it's made of aluminum. If you made a mistake putting it in, you might lose the thread, and I doubt if Shimano had a replacement part for this. But as a friendly reminder, is telling you because it might happen, then you will have a hard time on putting it back after. So it's loose. And now I just loosen that out. Uh, we loosen it off. Oops, there's something that fell off there. That, loosen it a bit since it was being torqued, and I have to take this out. Okay, loose. Now it's loose. Okay, so need to take it out because other thing is I still have the cables. Now since I still have the other cable on the other end, so we'll take this off together with the front and the rear derailleur. But I'm still thinking what to do with it because it's still good, and I'm thinking on to put on to something else. Maybe we'll see. So this is the cable. I'll pull it out, the whole thing, and retract with this all the way out. So till I take it off after. Okay, now we're done. We just have to put like the wires, make it like round, and put it in. One more, make it all intact there, and the outer wire later. So yeah, we're done. That'll be it. So this, I'll be putting some uh, paper towel there, just in case if there's some leak. But so far, I think we'll be okay. Alright, so that will be it for now. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.